family, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. In 2016, I decided to go on a healthy hair journey with my daughter Sonia and myself since I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata. Nowadays, I make my own products, DIY ingredients, and I use it on Sonia's and myself hair. In today's video, I will be making an amazing magnesium butter, which is very essential for our hair growth and our hair health. If you would love to see how I made this all-natural magnesium butter, then please keep on watching. Our hair is always growing, but breakage, dryness, brittle hair which leads to no length retention is our biggest issue. This treatment will solve all of those problems for you, especially this harsh weather that we are in now. This treatment can be used all year round both on toddler and adults. I'm first starting off with 4 ounces of raw shea butter, which my company sells. This shea butter is directly from Ghana. It is raw, unrefined, and 100% chemical free. Shea butter can be used on all skin types. It can also be used on your hair and also on babies. Just make sure that you are getting the type that is 100% natural and unrefined. Never expose your shea butter to direct heat. So to make our magnesium butter, we will be using the double boiler method. Just by placing your pot on the stove and then placing something under it so that it doesn't also get too hot from the bottom. And then we will turn our stove on and put our shea butter into the hot water so it can slowly melt. We're now gonna cover this with a cling wrap and transfer it into the freezer for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, we are going to melt this down. I love for my hair treatment to be very creamy and soft, but if you want your butter to be thick and hard, then you can skip this method. But I prefer mine to be in like a milky foam, so I'm melting it down. And this is how it's looking after I melted it down. I'm now going to start adding in our next ingredient. I'm first starting off with the S Secrets Growth Oil. This is my 21 growth oil ingredients. It already have a lot of Ayurvedic herbs and things in it. So I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of this. And then I'm going in with 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going in with 1/4 cup of my castor oil. Magnesium is an essential mineral for the growth of new cells, including hair cells and making protein, bone, and DNA. Magnesium improves blood flow by diluting the follicles vessels, which means the hair follicles will receive more blood supply. So more essential nutrients which support the growth of healthy, strong hair can be received. If you are magnesium deficiency, it can also lead to hair loss. While iron and zinc help with hair shine and luster, magnesium plays an important role in promoting healthy follicles, which result in healthy hair growth. Most experts agree that Magnesium is nature's anti-stress mineral, which is a major component in hair loss. I will also be making a magnesium butter, so please stay tuned for that. It can help with stress, anxiety, and depression. I bought this magnesium from Amazon.com. I will be going in with 1/4 cup of that. I would also recommend that you also make your research on this product before you go ahead and start to use it. I'm now going in with few drops of peppermint essential oil and also few drops of rosemary essential oil. After, just mix all your ingredients together well, and then we will cover this with a cling wrap and transfer it into the freezer. When you place your butter into the freezer for the second time, please make sure that you keep checking on it because we don't want it to get too hard. Once you see your fingers can go through it like that, that means it's ready. You can now take your hand mixer and mix it up. Whip up your amazing hair butter. This butter is used as a leave-in treatment if you have type 3 and type 4 hair. If you have type 1 and type 2 hair, you can use it as a pre-poo treatment. Now, I love to use this butter on Sonia's and myself here after we are done with our pre-poo treatment, our shampoo treatment, our deep condition treatment, and then I go in with a leave-in treatment, and then I apply our growth oil and then the butter to seal all of that in. And then I just love to throw her hair in braids. Same with mine, I will moisturize this butter into my hair and put my hair in braids or twist. You can leave this butter under room temperature. Just make sure that you keep it away from water. If you love this video, can you please give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.